Compounding is often called the eighth wonder of the world because of its amazing power to turn small amounts into huge sums over time. It's more than just a financial rule. It's a way of thinking, a habit, and a challenge in patience. Yet most people misunderstand it. They start with good intentions. They invest, they save, they follow tips. But when their account balance seems to barely move, they get discouraged and give up. They wanted quick gains, but instead they saw tiny changes. That S, because compounding isn't a T about fast wins. It's CS about steady effort and letting time do the work. In this guide, I'll show you why many fail at compounding and, more importantly, how you can stick with it and reap the rewards that only the top 1% ever see. Many folks believe compounding is an instant path to riches. Put in some money, let it sit, and watch it grow rapidly. In reality, compounding starts off very slowly. Imagine you invest $10,000 at 10% per year. Compounding is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It tests your patience and willpower. Many people mentally trip themselves up because our brains crave immediate rewards. When they don't see fast growth, they act on impulse, selling too soon or chasing high-risk fads. But compounding works like a gentle escalator, not a straight staircase. The early steps feel slow and boring, but once you reach the tipping point, it accelerates quickly. The secret is to master patience, ignore short-term noise, and trust that small gains today will add up massively down the road. The wealthiest stay calm through market dips, never interrupting the cycle, knowing that time is their greatest ally. Now let's look at the two biggest mistakes people make that kill compounding. Mistake number 1, starting too late. Time is the single most powerful factor in compounding, yet many wait until their 30s or 40s to begin. Imagine two people. Emma starts investing $500 every month at age 20 and stops at age 30. John waits until 30 but invests $1,000 each month until 60. Although John contributes more and for longer, Emma ends up with a larger nest egg by retirement. Why? Because those 10 extra years at the beginning gave her money more time to grow on its own. Delaying your start, even by a few years, means missing out on decades of potential growth. Mistake number 2. Interrupting the cycle. Compounding needs uninterrupted time to work. Think of it like baking a cake. You mix the batter, set the timer, and let it rise. If you open the oven repeatedly, you let heat out and the cake falls flat. Similarly, every time you withdraw money, whether for a car, a vacation, or an emergency, you reset your compounding clock. One withdrawal might seem harmless, but multiple interruptions destroy the steady building of returns. The rule is simple. Leave your investment alone, let it grow, and only touch it when you absolutely must. That discipline is what turns modest savings into life-changing wealth.